Hello everyone, welcome to Delta, Utah today. We've got the fertilizer plant behind me, tank farm to this side of me, and behind me the brand new rail system that's going in to feed the fertilizer plant. Over at the main warehouse we've got power going in. There's a lot of improvements happening out here and we're really excited to see what happens. The busy season's coming in the fall and we're going to try and be ready in time for that, so let's go take a look at everything that's happening. We're just going to get right into the energy that's coming in here, the new electricity. There's a brand new panel, an 800 amp that's on order that we're waiting on, but for now we're actually able to pull a panel out of our Rexburg site, a 400 amp panel, so we won't be able to hit the full capacity of the site yet, but it helps us at least get online until that main panel arrives. We also have a lot of power and controls going in to automate this new tank farm. There's going to be a lot of fertilizer, water, chemicals, and we're going to be automating it with these new valves and power systems. We're really looking forward to the time that it's going to save and the streamlining it'll bring everyone who works with this tank farm. All right, here we are on the rail siding for the new fertilizer plant. We're going to be coming from the main track and heading over to the fertilizer plant over there. Now this rail siding is actually going to take quite a while to do because it has to hit very specific compaction values, very specific construction values to go to the railroad specifications. So it's actually a pretty involved process, which is kind of a cool thing to see. Also underneath me, believe it or not, is over 100 feet of irrigation conduit for this rail siding, and this stuff obviously has to be rated for railroad weights that come across it. So each one of these are 10 feet long and they're 3-foot concrete conduits and they weigh over 24,000 pounds apiece. So you can imagine what all that adds up to under me with over 100 feet of it. We've also got rails with multiple tie downs already added to them and actual rails behind me for the switch for the track that's going to be over there. Not a lot of people get to see this stuff in person and the true scale of it. As you can see, we've got a little bit of work left to do here, but we're looking at a substantive completion date for a lot of this by July 14th. And then beyond that, August 30th, we hope to have this place completely up and running, ready to get product into that new barn.